Are you ready to revolutionize your meetings with Notion? Well, let's get started. But before we begin, I want to take a moment of silence for all of you who have suffered from accountability amnesia in the workplace. It seems like people everywhere are in meetings agreeing to action points publicly in front of their colleagues and then simply forgetting. What happens next is a series of setbacks, letdowns, and general loss of integrity for all those suffering from this terrible disease. If you or a loved one have been impacted by this, please stay tuned. The scientists at Notionology have put years into developing a solution that will radically transform how you conduct meetings. Hello again, my name is Molly and welcome to my channel. I've been working in the digital productivity space since 2014 and have been a certified Notion consultant since 2020. In that time, I've worked with over 50 clients worldwide to help build beautiful workspaces, customize their workflows, and streamline the way they work. And you know what all of these clients had in common? They all held meetings. I've gathered dozens of insights from these clients and built what I consider to be one of the best solutions to plan, review, conduct, execute all of your meetings. So let's begin with meeting preparation. This is key to conducting effective meetings, and as the saying goes, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So what's the best way to ace your meeting prep? Get collaborating early, and do that with the Smart Meeting solution. Within the Smart Meeting solution, we have one centralized database that holds all of the meetings across the business in one easy to use space. This enables anybody to start populating a meeting agenda at any time, weeks or days in advance. How often does an idea strike and then slip away before you get the chance to discuss it? That's why it's essential to jot down these items as soon as they occur, because it's so much easier to have these conversations in person rather than going back and forth between online communication. Plus, it's a great way to let others know what's coming up in the meeting. If you are preparing for more formal meetings, we have 7 preset agenda templates that still allow you to customize your specific needs. Don't forget to set it a clear objective at the start. We've got some pre-populated tips to help you in this process. And if this isn't enough, you can use Notion AI to help you curate any type of agenda and easily drag and drop it into the database. And this is why my solution stands out from others in the market. By storing your agenda items within a database, you're actually unlocking a unique time-saving feature. And that feature enables us to have effective meeting reviews. Recurring meetings should always start with a review of previous meeting minutes or previous actions to ensure their efficiency. During this stage, the participants need to easily reflect back on the previous meeting, whether it's reviewing the notes, checking the status of action items, or generally just giving an update. Being able to view those meeting minutes quickly and easily is essential. Now, instead of opening new windows and navigating between different pages, you can easily search for your old meeting and glide between the previous and current meeting within a filtered view of the actions or agenda database tabs. Reviewing your previous meeting has never been easier or more streamlined. I don't know if it's just me, but getting lost in a sea of Google Docs trying to figure out what you said in the last meeting is not fun. Comment below if you've ever been in this case. And next, let's move to one of the biggest pain points when it comes to meeting management, and that is properly recording your meeting actions. Now, I'm doing my part to take preventative measures against the spread of accountability amnesia, and I'm hoping you will too. When you have a meeting and actions are assigned and you might go back to your desk or your colleagues go back to their desk, they've written it down, maybe in their notebook and their personal notes, maybe it's even on the Google Docs that's sent out to everyone. Believe it or not, you will come to the meeting next week and people simply forget because there really is no action accountability. And why isn't there action accountability? Because there is no proven working system. However, the Master Actions database within the Smart Meeting solution provides a holistic view of all actions across the business and is also simultaneously filtered into the action owner's personalized dashboard. This personalized dashboard is a unique feature that allows everyone in the business to manage their own meetings and tasks individually. When an action is assigned, attendees don't have to scribble into their own personal note-taking systems. They can leave the meeting knowing this action will now be added to their own task list, where they can address and update throughout the week. This allows for easy task prioritization and tracking, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks post-meeting. And that brings us to our final process featured in the Smart Meeting solution, and that is maintaining your meeting system. After the meeting is adjourned, it's essential to update key properties such as call recording and absent or attended. This ensures that those who couldn't join know where and how to review the past meeting. For absentees, this will instantly appear in their personalized dashboard as a reminder to review the call recording and any missed notes. No more emailing out the meeting minutes to those who can't make it. The best part? You now have a centralized database for every meeting record throughout the business in one easy-to-find location. I truly believe that this solution checks all the boxes when it comes to meeting management. And if you're excited by what you see today, check the links below for access to this comprehensive solution for you and your business. And if I have any Notion creators or consultants watching this today, you'll be happy to know that I actually offer a free base template version of this available as well in the link below. This stripped down version is a base template essential for your portfolio. And if you're not familiar with using base templates as a Notion consultant, do check out notionconsultants.com. We have a whole lesson dedicated to using base templates to streamline your workflow as a consultant, in addition to 80 other videos, a workspace, plenty of exercises, and a private Discord community for us to chat all things Notion consulting. Or if you're already building your Notion consulting empire, you might be interested in this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.